So now we're going to go ahead and show you how to assemble your guide wheels on your overcutter. I'm going to take my 4-inch bolt and I'm going to go ahead and take one of the guide wheels and I'm going to slide the bolt through the bottom. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the non-notched, you have a notch on your spacers. The one that does not have the notch goes on first, or the left side. Then you take your overcutter, slide it into the groove. Now I take my notched spacer, slide it down over my cutter, put my second wheel on, and go ahead and put my wing nut on. Now I'm going to drop it down, just snug it up. Now, on your gun, we're going to remove your body valve, it's your body nut, and we're going to go ahead and remove your welding tip. Now what's going to happen is this hole right here is going to slide over your tip shank, and this threaded part is going to go right in your body plug. So let's slide that right over there. Let's go ahead and screw this right on here. So let me just do it this way here. So I'm going to screw this right down here. And what you're going to do is you're going to snug that up with your wrench. Now put your number 2 tip back on. That's going to be your heating tip. And now all you do is adjust your angle, set it up. This is your oxygen trigger. Just go ahead and pull that when you're ready to cut. Now you can also do a beveled cut. Slide one wheel up and one wheel down. Now you're coming in at a beveled cut style. Now you can put a taper on your steel as you cut it.